Welcome to a little Bubbl tutorial, bubbl.us. If you want to save your work, you would want to register, but because I don't, I'm just going to jump in and give it a whirl. So it starts you off with a little bubble. You can change the writing in that bubble to animals. Then you can, hovering over it, gives you two options for creating a new bubble, one at the same level as this one or one that's a sub bubble. So a subgroup of animals is dogs and another subgroup of animals is cats, etc. I can do the same thing, hover over dogs and say Doberman. I can then, keep adding more. Okay, the other thing you can do, you can fiddle with the text you've written in here. You can change the font, make it italic, make it bigger, smaller, that kind of thing, change the alignment. You can also mess with the design of your map, so whether it's a tree, a grid, or a circle of each bubble kind of attached in a circle, and you can not add things to it unless you've paid for it, which we haven't. Okay, you can delete a bubble as well by clicking on the cross. That would delete that dog's bubble, but we're not going to do that. That is pretty much all you need to know. Oh, I guess the final thing is how to share it. So you can share the mind map, you can download it as an image, you can print it out, that kind of stuff. There's an undo button if you make mistakes, and I think that is it.